Alright, we're all in. Welcome aboard, everybody. How's everyone's afternoon going?
How are you?
Doing great. My name's Kelsey. I'm going to be your pilot today. It's a beautiful day for a flight. We're going to go around the island. Some really fun things. Has everyone on board received a safety briefing?
Yes.
Awesome. Two things to remember: keep your seatbelts on the whole flight. The way that you take them off, and the only reason you need to take them off is if we're exiting the aircraft for any reason, is you take that buckle in the middle and you get to spin it to the left or the right. Either direction you spin it, and 3 of the straps will come out. The last one stays in there because it's keeping the buckle in place, right? Yeah, so you just toss it over your lap. Reattach, you just put them right back in the holes, you'll hear a snap, and that's how our seatbelts work. We'll keep those on. We all have life vests on. Keep those on all flight. I'll take those off when we get back in the net area, and you guys already went over how those work. I have a fire extinguisher on the floor, the right side here on the ground, just on my side. You can't see it from where you are, but trust me, we've got one. We have a first aid kit and flares in the back, and doors are the exits. To open the door, you just lift up on the handle and rotate that like a car door, but we'll keep those closed. We'll only open them if we need to. You guys have any questions about anything safety related? Ready to roll? Alright, give you a few moments and I'll let you know before I do anything. Alright guys, let's get out of here. I'll call up tower and see if they can get us out of here. Alright guys, let's get out of here.
That's so weird.
Weird. I know, it's like we're down, we're up.
Feels like you're flying. We are flying.
We are flying.
So cool.
Just like that, 0 to hero. There we go. Our little airport, you can see we've got a little plane coming in for landing here on runway 3. Flight tower wanted us to get up and out of there, no delay, so that we could let that little guy come in for landing. Got another helicopter right in front of us. Don't worry, I see him. We got the new Willy Willy Harbor over here. It's our only harbor on the island. Where you guys were at for checking out the Sunshine office. On my right side of the beach in that gray building. That's where you guys were just at.
White House. White House. I can kind of see like under the water.
Yeah, the water's really clear.
Where's the best place to see the whales?
I mean, Maui? We've got wells all over the place, so.
What's ahead of us? So cool. Such a smooth ride.
Thanks. No, helicopters are great. I mean, of course we're gonna encounter a little bit of wind because we're flying in the mountains, but it's a beautiful day today, so perfect time to go for a flight. Alright, so we're out of the airspace. We're just following this ridge line out. We are gonna pretty much go from the east side to the west side. We're on the east side of the island right now. We're gonna go to the west side and then come back here to the east side. The difference between the two coastlines is about 25 miles. So we're just a small little island. This is our south side. This is Poipu area. Anyone staying down in Poipu? You guys there? Yep. The dry side, so no more sunshine. Oh, I mean, it rains everywhere. Yep. Yeah. That's why it's so green and lovely. But yeah, no, we always have. I always say that it doesn't matter where you're at on the island. Everything gets its fair share of rain. Alright, this is going to be our first location. This is going to be on the Pepe Valley. I'm going to check out some waterfalls. And here the main one is a big one in the back. It's known as Jurassic Falls.
there.
Gotta get waterfalls everywhere, and the one in the back. Faster as it falls.
It looks exactly like the movie.
I could turn the lights off. Lately I've been so lost. Turn to you and
Alright, next stop, the canyon.
we can take it so. Keep one of the lights on.
What?
Hear my head. Space in between us is melting away. Forget
How pretty.
tell me when you're coming back into
I see the canyon. Dad, there's a canyon.
There, canyon.
So cool. They have lots of waterfalls. That felt weird.